Hello! Today we're going to talk about why I'm selling all of my cameras except one, the Smena Symbol. The Smena Symbol is a Soviet-era zone-focused point-and-shoot 35mm film camera. I'm going to give you 5 reasons why this is the one camera that I'm keeping and getting rid of everything else. Number 1, the size and weight. This camera is made of the finest, low-quality Soviet plastics, meaning it's extremely light, compact, and comfortable to carry around. 2, this is a zone-focused camera, meaning you don't have to worry and burden yourself with rangefinder patches or through the lens focusing like an SLR. No, you just guess, you figure out where your subject is, you focus, that's it. 3, the shutter speeds on this camera are marked with pictures of clouds, which is nice and cute and fluffy. You don't need to worry about numbers and fractions and stops. You just go lots of clouds, little bit of cloud, no cloud, and that's your shutter speed. You just use your photographic intuition. 4, the film advance on this camera doesn't care where you are in the roll. Take up spool rotates once per wind of the film advance lever. That's it. So at the start of the roll, your frames overlap, forcing you to think more about your composition. And at the end of the roll, they have space between them, giving your compositions room to breathe. 5, this camera is purely mechanical and takes no batteries whatsoever, using only your raw muscle power to keep it going. Here's some pictures I've taken with this camera to give you an idea of what you can expect. This concludes my summary of all the reasons that I'm selling all of my camera gear except the Smena Symbol. Hopefully one day you too realize that this is the ultimate film camera and join me in Analog Revolution 2 Soviet Boogaloo. Happy April Fool's Day!